Welcome back. Let us go through the question first. In the hydrogen chloride molecule, the separation between the nuclei of the two atoms is about 1.27 angstrom. 1 angstrom is equal to 10 to the power minus 10 meter. Find the approximate location of the cm of the molecule given that a chlorine atom is about 35.5 times as massive as hydrogen atom and nearly as the mass all the mass of an atom is concentrated in its nucleus. Let us assume that the center of mass of molecule is x centimeter away from the chlorine atom. So we can write m into 1.27 minus x plus 35.5 mx divided by m plus 35.5 equals 0. So here we can see that if it is chlorine atom, it is hydrogen atom. The distance between both of them is 1.27 angstrom. And let us take this particular point to be the cm. And if the distance from chlorine to this particular point is x, then it must be the distance from h to this particular point must be 1.27 minus x, right? So from this we get this particular equation, and from here we can get the value of x, which is coming to be minus 0.037 angstrom. Here the negative sign indicates that the center of mass lies leftward of the chlorine atom.